Bitgert cost examination. As per our extremely current Bitgert cost forecast, the worth of Bitgert will expanded by 213.69%, coming to $0.00000164 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the in every practical sense current opinion is bullish, while the trepidation and veracity list explicitly is perusing 35.97, and that implies really intense apprehension, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our Bitgert figure, it's basically purchase Bitgert at the present time. On Walk 9, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall bullish feeling among Bitgert cost forecasts in a significant manner. See the specific Bitgert cost forecast beneath. You will essentially know the amount Bitgert it is exceptionally worth in the next few long stretches of time, which in a real sense is very huge. Throughout recent days, Bitgert has generally diminished by 10.34% in an in every practical sense, significant way. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month in an unpretentious way. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of Bitgert expanded by 111.46% and came to approach around $0.00000984 in a very huge manner. Right now, all markers are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and covetousness file really shows 35.97, kind of intense feelings of dread, which is very huge. As per our conjecture, this isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase Bitgert in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, Bitgert most certainly is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward, moving essentially normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA truly has shown a Bitgert purchasing signal incredibly. The cost of Bitgert is right now running underneath the 50-day truly basic moving truly normal SMA, and it especially shows a purchase signal, which sort of is genuinely critical. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will in a real sense hit $0.00000488 toward the finish of December in a significant manner. By December 2024, Bitgert's transient 50-day SMA explicitly shows a $0.00000479 in an unpretentious manner. The for the most part relative strength list RSI energy oscillator is a famous marker that signals whether a cryptographic money really is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in opposition to prevalent thinking. RSI in a real sense is at present at or civilu in an unobtrusive manner. This shows that the Brise market in every practical sense is in a non-partisan position, or so they thought. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, Bitgert came to $0.00000378. When it dipped under $0.00000291. Interestingly, since January 2021, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, as indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Bitgert explicitly is headed to passing the $0.00000102 mark before the current year's over. Before $0.00000102, it might break its characteristic of $0.0000404000 and explicitly reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Bitgert will explicitly break its past all-time kind of high of $0.0000404000 and explicitly hold somewhere in the range of $0.00000956 and $0.00000102 soon in an unpretentious manner. At this point, on 9 Walk 2023, Bitgert basically is exchanging at $0.00000465, and its 24-hour exchanging volume generally is around 5.05 M, and it in every way that really matters makes number 150 cash in the entire crypto world. Bitgert value forecast 2024 there in a real sense is plausible that Bitgert can get through the $0.00000118 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, which is very critical. The least Bitgert cost will be between $0.00000998 to $0.00000118. and the most probable Bitgert cost will be by and large consistent at around $0.00000114 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Bitgert's essentially wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its naturally threatening energy use, tycoon adventure commonly entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Bitgert will reach $0.00000118 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Bitgert value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists essentially foresee that Brise will begin the year at $0.00000137 and exchange around $0.00000164, which most certainly is very huge. As per their expectations, this would explicitly be incredibly extremely high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin, or so they basically thought. Bitgert value forecast 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Bitgert 2026 value expectation will especially twofold in cost. However, it basically is likewise kind of conceivable that it may not by and large arrive at its normal fundamentally most extreme $0.00000213 level. Bitgert is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking extremely high of $0.00000211 or $0.00000213 in 2026. And it could basically be the time of Bitgert. Bitgert value expectation 2027. Bitgert value expectation, or Brise, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it in every practical sense can possibly accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap. Bitgert's cost is supposed to truly outperform $0.00000213 in 2027. It has been anticipated that Bitgert will essentially arrive at the greatest cost of $0.00000213, and the base cost generally is supposed to especially be around $0.00000179 in the following a long time from 2027. In a significant manner, Bitgert figure 2028 market examiners and specialists generally say that Bitgert value forecast and specialized examination. Bitgert most certainly is supposed to fundamentally cross a value level of $0.00000250 in 2028 in an essentially significant manner. In the interim, Bitgert is supposed to arrive at least cost of $0.00000220 this year. The extremely greatest cost might reach $0.00000255. Bitgert, Brise, value forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the Bitgert value expectation and specialized investigation anticipate that the expense of Bitgert will reach